Hello everyone, myself Neeraj Goyal, a senior bio teacher. Now I will tell you some important questions and how to attempt them, especially diagrammatic question. Suppose for class 10th ICSE, suppose there is a question from cell division. A stage or a phase is drawn in the question paper in which 4 chromosomes are there. Then you are asked to draw the next stage followed by the stage which is drawn. Then always see that you do not miss out the chromosome number. It should be same as it is written or as it is drawn in the question paper. Is it clear? Read it properly whether the previous stage is to be drawn in the question what is asked or the stage that follows it. So you have to be very careful regarding this. And plant cell or animal cell, whether it is a division of plant cell or animal cell, there you have to see the position of the centriole and cell wall as well. Then you have to be careful while drawing the diagram of Punnett square from genetics chapter. See that heterozygous parents or homozygous parents, draw them properly. First write the gametes form and then draw Punnett square. And read question carefully whether it is asked for F1 generation or F2 generation. If it is for genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio, please write it correctly. Or if genotype or phenotype is asked only, no ratio, then write what type of offsprings are they. If a question comes, generally which comes on plasmolysis, where a cell is shown in plasmolysed state and it is asked identify the solution in which it is kept. So please see what you write and see the labeling of the diagram also, that you do it correct and define the process correctly, whether endoosmosis has taken place or exoosmosis has taken place. It should be written correctly. Terms hypertonic, hypotonic and isotonic should be used simultaneously. Then if a question comes on an eye defect like myopia or hypermetropia, generally they give a defect in the question paper and the students are asked to draw a diagram with the correction of the defect with the corrective lens. So please see that you draw corrective lens correct. Means if myopia, then draw concave lens, and if it is hypermetropia, you are supposed to draw convex lens outside the eye, and then support your diagram with arrows. If you do not make arrows there, you draw arrows, you don't get marks there. Then the questions regarding stomata. See that you draw the guard cells, outer wall and inner wall thickness is seen properly. One side it is thick, other side it is thin. And chloroplasts are there only in the guard cells, not in the epidermal cells. When a question comes on circulatory system, to label the diagram or a circulatory diagram is drawn, then you have to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 labeling and which artery is coming out, which vein is going out. See that you write it correctly with correct number, otherwise marks are gone. And from which organ it is coming out, especially children are getting confused always with the hepatic portal vein which comes out from the gut region, that is stomach and liver, stomach and intestine, and goes to liver. And when you draw the diagram of Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, see that incoming arteriole, that is afferent arteriole is broader, and outgoing arteriole from glomerulus, that is efferent arteriole, is narrower. If sometimes a question comes, draw an outline of the human body and locate the position of various endocrine glands. So you have to put a dot only there, but correct location should be very correct there. And at last, children have got a habit of attempting all question. You are supposed to attempt only 4 questions out of 6. I would like to suggest you that you attempt only 4 questions